It's one of the best times of the year when we're seeing more boats underway on the bay. But it's also typically when accidents peak, according to Maryland Natural Resources Police. So we were invited out with Corporal Chris Neville, who has a mission of keeping boaters safe as we drift toward Memorial Day. Corporal Neville was dispatched earlier this month to this boat fire at Holiday Hill Marina off the Road River in Edgewater.
The message is accidents can happen when you least expect them.
Natural Resources Police say there's a checklist you can follow to make sure you're legal and safe.
How are you guys today?
A group of fishermen got an unexpected catch before they set their lines.
Yeah, I'll just do a quick safety check real quick. Appreciate him wearing his life jacket, so I just see 3 life jackets for you gentlemen. And
children under the age of 13 on a boat less than 21 feet are required to wear life jackets. The adults had 3 on board, 1 for each of them, which is the law, but they're missing another flotation device.
Technically, sir, just because it's over 16 feet, you would have to have like either the actual yeah, it'll be like Coast Guard approved.
Air horn, they have it, but Corporal Neville discovers a problem with the flares.
Actually, these expired in January of 19.
The law requires they be up to date, so we wrote a warning and handed it off to Zach Klein, who appreciates the distraction to his day. Do you think that's important information to have heading into the boating season?
Absolutely.
Why?
Because people die on this bay.
Natural Resources Police say 6 people died last year in boating accidents. It's a downward trend from previous years, but in each incident, the victim was not wearing a life jacket.
And if you already have your life jacket on, that's just one less thing that you have to think about during an emergency.
As for that boat fire, he says there's a lesson on inboard engines.
I've never seen anything like that.
He says the owner took all the precautions, but still couldn't avoid what he calls a mechanical error on this 37-foot Monterey vessel.
It appeared that the vessel had a fuel leak in the starboard engine, and when the gentleman was trying to dock his boat, it stalled out, and he put it in neutral. He hit the blower, and when he turned the key on, there was an initial explosion, and it actually blew the engine cover approximately 40 feet in the air.
Corporal Neville says this is a good reminder that boaters are required to have a fire extinguisher on board. And with inboard engines, the best advice is to ventilate.
Before you go out, you want to run the blowers for approximately 5 minutes. And every time that you get fuel, you would like to run the blowers for approximately 5 minutes too, or the entire time while you're getting fuel, just to give all the gas vapors time to clear out of the engine compartment.
Fortunately, the people on board were able to get off and were taken to the hospital as a precaution.
Do you think it's more fun once they realize they have full control through safety and they know their boat?
Absolutely, because that's just one less thing they have to worry about.
If you want to know before you go, reserve officers will be here at Sandy Point State Park every Wednesday through Labor Day doing free safety checks before you get underway.
Taking the time to know you're prepared is the definition of relaxation on the water. For Chesapeake Bay Media's Bay Bulletin, I'm Cheryl Costello.